In this video, I'll go through step by step and replace the battery in an Audi S8 key fob. This is really easy to do yourself at home. It'll just take you a few minutes. What you will need is a replacement battery, which for this device can either be a CR2032 or a CR1632, and I'll show you how to figure that out in just a second. Both of these batteries you can find online and they are inexpensive. If you want to go check out the links in the description, those links will take you right over to Amazon where you can find your battery for a great price. To open this thing up, you can first flip out the key. And if you just want to do this the quickest way possible, just grab on one end, grab on the other end, pull and twist, and it will come apart like that. If that is difficult, you can grab a flathead screwdriver, and on the back you can see that opening right there. Just insert and twist, which will make that a lot easier. Now down here on the bottom, you can actually do the same thing. If you look here where the key fits inside there, you can actually grab on each side and pry that open. And once again, if yours is a little bit stuck, if that's difficult, you can use the same tool and go in here where the key goes, and you just pry to get better leverage to open this thing up easier. You can see my battery is coming right out. If yours isn't, you're just going to gently lift the battery up and out of place. And inside you'll see when you remove your battery if you have the 1632 or the 2032. So you can see here I have a 1632 battery, which is smaller to compare it to the 2032. Here it is. So just check to see which one you have. Obviously, if inside you got a 1632, you'll be buying one 1632 to replace it. Likewise with the 2032, you just need one to replace it. And the rest of this is going to be the same regardless of which battery you have. So just when you're ready to put your battery in, you want to take the battery, make sure the positive side is facing down, just set it into place right there. And then you can just set this on top and snap it down into place. And if you want, well, now you can just finish by clicking that back together and put the key back in there. And that's it. That's all it takes. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key, you can always come back here to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.